take 3, take 4, take 5.
That's a mini bike. That's a mini bike. Why would you do that? Why would you touch it?
Keep your hands to yourself. Did you thump her?
Oh, sorry, girl. Stop touching me.
You put her